Hi everyone, welcome to this short tutorial. I'm going to talk about face recognition 101. Face, right? And the face also has multiple different angles. So we are going to make a face detection, the front elevation, right? The basic thing is if I draw, you will have two eyes like this, and then you will have a nose, and then you will have a mouth. So this is like a basic classifier. So what you first need to do is we have to define a classifier. So I'm not going to talk about that today. It's actually called a cascade file. It's written in XML. What we are going to do is we will use a cascade file already been created by someone, and I have given the link below, so you can go there and download these XML files where it has multiple different classifiers, but we are going to use the frontal face classifier, the XML file. So I have downloaded that, and I have actually included that into the root directory. Then it is quite simple. All of you all now know about Anaconda. You all know about the Jupyter notebook. So all what we're going to do is go into our Jupyter notebook, and we will create a Python new notebook. What you see now is my code which I have created and saved. So if I go above, the first import CV, the computer vision library. The second is where we are actually loading the XML file, the classifier or the har cascade file that we downloaded. And second, in this piece you will see that's the name of the video file. So I'm using something called file name.mp4. It could be any video footage that you already have, or also there is a possibility of giving the link of your the webcam, the live feed. So then it will start analyzing the live feed coming from the webcam also. Actually what we're doing is usually our video footage is in RBG format. So the RBG we are going to convert into grayscale, and what we are going to analyze is the grayscale. So that is what is being shown in this section. What you will find here, the coding is mainly on the we are defining whether it is the RBG colors we want to analyze or is it a grayscale. And you will see the second piece is where how does the face will be shown to us. So in this case we are using a rectangle, and we can give the dimensions of the rectangle, whether it should be black or red, or what's the width of the lines and all the stuff, right? Then what we will do is we will run this, and then we will see how it happens. As you can see, here we go. It has detected the faces, so it will show in rectangle. All right, I hope that was useful to you. So if you really need to go in depth and deep into the code and kind of analyze this and to kind of take it forward from here, you're more than welcome. And the links I have shared with you in the chat, please go to those the links and download whatever the files that you want. And we'll meet up again in another short tutorial. See you then.